Hey guys, it's Nathan with Striv here, and today we're going to be going over the newly released remote control scoreboard app and Wirecast overlay that is available to all schools now. Today's August 24th, and pretty cool features. So if you navigate to your dashboard, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go to Scoreboard, and we're going to create a new scoreboard. So everything's kind of the same as what's been going on here. We're going to type in teams. We're going to do Heartland because that's where Striv's from, and well, let's just throw Sutton in there because that's where I'm from. Do basic scoreboard, and we'll do football for this example. There's also volleyball, same sports as always. I'm not going to broadcast scores for now because this is a walkthrough, but when your event starts, you're going to want to make sure that box is check marked. Go ahead and start the event, and you'll see that everything looks the same as it always has, except you have two new buttons down here at the bottom. You have Wirecast Overlay and RCS App. And so the first thing we're going to want to do, we're going to want to hit Wirecast Overlay. That's going to copy a URL that you're going to want to use to add the scoreboard into Wirecast. So I'm going to tab over. I have a blank Wirecast slate. I'm going to go ahead and add in my FaceTime camera, just so you have an example that there's going to be video underneath your scoreboard. Go back over here. We're going to add a layer on top. We're going to want to go to Network and then Web Page. We're going to want to add a web page. We're going to go ahead and navigate over here to this menu, the circle with the three dots in it. Highlight, double click, triple click, or however you get all of the URL to turn blue, and paste that URL that you copied from Wirecast, or excuse me, from Chrome on your scoreboard. We're going to want to go ahead and click transparent background. We're going to come over here to the menu, the shot layer properties. Looks like three lines and it has dots going diagonally. And we're going to click scale to fit so that it goes full screen, and we're going to let you guys see that full screen. And so you can see that the scoreboard has come in and is sitting down here at the bottom, which is a nice placing for it when you're trying to broadcast your sports. We'll hop back in here. Now to get the RCS app, you're going to click RCS. That stands for Remote Control Scoreboard. This is where you'll take your iPad, you'll scan the QR code that's right here on the screen. I don't have an iPad with me, but I'm going to show you kind of what it looks like once you scan it with your iPad. So, come over here. This is also another way that you can get to that controller. If you don't click RCS app, you can go from your dashboard, you can hit this little iPad icon, and you can copy or you can take a picture of the QR code here. There's also a place to copy a link. That's what I'm going to do. Go ahead and paste that, not type in any extra characters. And here's what your football is going to look like, and I'll adjust myself here on screen. So maybe move myself higher. So you can see you got the teams here that'll give you the score, down and distance markers, and everything like that. And this is kind of this is what your iPad will look like when you scan that QR code. For those wondering about the stat scroller and where to find that to have the scores display underneath your scoreboard in Wirecast, you'll go to the circle with the three dots menu here in the app, and that's where you'll find display stat scroller, and we can navigate to Wirecast, and we can see we now have that rotating on the bottom. So that is the updated remote control scoreboard app with the Wirecast overlay. And I hope you guys enjoy using this product. It's pretty fun to mess with myself, and happy streaming.